guys, welcome back to our channel again. So guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can create an account in AWS. So the things you need to create an account in AWS is first is your email ID, and second is one credit or debit card. So the debit card is depending on the country you are creating an account of AWS. I am currently living in India, so I can use my debit card for that. So let's jump onto it directly. You have to first search on Google AWS and AWS and one second, let me show you from the exact link. So this is the first link you have to click, or you can see aws.amazon.com. Just simply click on it, and after that you can click on here a sign in option, and after that you can click here create a new AWS account, and you have to fill your email ID. So I've already filled it before recording this video, so that's why it's showing my email ID. And then you have to send a code to verify your email ID. So let me check if I got any email from AWS. So here it is, my verification code. I will use the latest one. So let me verify it. So I have to set a password, one password. So you can choose any password, but make sure that it will be strong, like it should contain an alphabetical, numerical, and some symbols in it. Now the second step, it will be ask me for the my purpose of creating this account. So I will create for my own projects. Here I will fill all the details, like my name and mobile number and country code. So let me do this process quickly, and let me pause this video here because I don't want to reveal my address. So I have filled my address like here. Now we have to fill in third step, we have to fill our credit or debit card details. As you can see, they will not charge anything from our debit or credit card, but they want it for the security purpose. Like if we exceed our AWS free tier limit, then they will charge, otherwise they will not. If you are using your AWS account for a personal project, so you don't need to worry for getting charged, because AWS free tier is enough for you to use AWS services. I will provide a link where you can explore the free tiers limits, and you can check which service you will get free and which service you will have to pay. So let me fill my debit card details quickly. Let me pause the video here again. So I just fill my debit card details, and I click on verified. After clicking on verified, they will charge rupees 2 from your account for verifying purpose. So that 2 rupees is also refundable. No need to worry. And now in the last step, I have to confirm my identity with providing a phone number. So let me quickly provide a phone number here again. So after filling the phone number, they will send an OTP to my phone number. I have to verify that as well. So now in the last step, as you can see, there is 3 default plan. You can choose any one of that, but you can start with the free plan, basic plan. It is enough for you to explore AWS services and learn about it, until you are using it for some other purpose. So now my AWS account is created. Now I can go to the AWS management console, and I can see all the things here. Let me sign in again. So now I have to fill the same mail ID and password which we have used to create an account. And the password we should remember. So we are here in our AWS dashboard, and I hope you like this video. And here you can see we have different services. And if you have any question regarding this, you can definitely ask me in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.